Wala sa plano ng Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang magpatupad ng martial law at hindi nito hangad na ma-extend sa termino. Ito ang tiniyak na Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin kasunod ng ginawang regodon sa National Security Council at pag-alis kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa NSC. Kaugnay ito sa aligasyon ni dating Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo hinggil sa Manila layunin ng nasabing hakbang. Git ng kalihim prioridad ng Pangulo ang pagpapatatag sa ekonomiya, pag-angat sa buhay ng mga Pilipino at pagsusulong sa mga programa ng pamahalaan.
I don't think it is in the mind of the President right now. What he has in mind is the economic prosperity of the country, the health and welfare of the people, especially those of the lower classes, then the prioritization of his legacy projects. No? The President accepts that as the number one concern. It's not about martial law, it's not about extending himself in power. No, he has no thinking about that. He does not even think in those terms.
Ang tinig ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin.